Very good morning, guys. My name is Shivraj Singh Devupa, and I am a web developer. I have around 10 years of experience. I started with the mean stack development, that is MongoDB Express, Node, and Angular. And like as per the project's requirement, there was an opportunity for becoming a specialist. So I worked as an Angular specialist. So I was working like 4 to 5 years in Angular domain in international projects and especially of US region. And then I got an opportunity from past couple of years. I'm working as a React developer. So previously I worked as senior Angular developer and then now as a senior React developer. So as we know, both are very popular JavaScript frameworks. So one has to very good in JavaScript in order to work with these two frameworks and to excel upon these frameworks. So as per my experience, my 10 year of experience, I decided to teach to let's understand the concept of JavaScript first. So I have started this series. This series is named as Gen Z JavaScript. So we will be understanding the core concept and the important topics of JavaScript, and from there we will take up. Once we finish with the JavaScript, we will take up Angular and then React also, because I have expertise in these fields. So stay tuned, guys, and also please subscribe and share. So we will be starting with Gen Z JavaScript series, so where we will take up JavaScript first, and this will also help you in if you're experienced developer, it will help you in uh, improving your skills, improving your concept, which will help you in writing better and efficient code. And also it will help you to revise your concept to make you interview ready, right? So this is my goal. And so yeah, I always think that no one is having all the knowledge. Like, we as a coder, as a developer, we always keep on learning and improving ourselves. So while I will be teaching this, I will be uh, teaching, or I will be instructing you all these things, but I also want your feedback. Please comment on my videos so that we all can learn and grow in this field, right? So yeah, let's start, guys. So now we will be understanding infinite scroll with the help of intersection observer. So nowadays, you can see you must be using LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. So on that, when you scroll, it keeps on loading the new content, right? So how we can achieve it? So we can achieve it through intersection observer, which is a new way how we can achieve infinite scrolling in the modern websites. So let's understand. So if you don't know intersection observer, I just uploaded one video regarding the intersection observer API, and in Mozilla you will get a detailed information of it. So you can refer to my old video and then you can come back to infinite scrolling. So in infinite scrolling, what will happen? Let me show you. So when you will scroll, so right now, see, right now on line number 10 in our load mode section, or you can refer to use effect. Yeah, this is the initial one. So in use effect, we are calling load more, right? And what load more is doing, initially it is giving 20 elements in our array. So 20 items we have. So that's why you are able to see initially 20 items. But as soon as you reach to the last, that is 20, there we have load more section, load more div, this one. So our observer is always observing this. As soon as this div is getting loaded, it will trigger the callback, and inside the callback we are again generating the 20 more elements and adding it to this list. So this will become 40, and then again 20, it will become 60. And we have also added set timeout just to fake the API delay. So you can use the API also. So APIs, if suppose takes 1 second or half a second, just to simulate that, just to make that, we have added set timeout. So it will do the same thing how you would have done with the API. So let me also show you. See, as soon as I will reach 20, see, loading more, 21, 22, loading more, 41 to 60. So it will keep on adding 20, 20, 20. So as we do in LinkedIn, Instagram, right? We keep on scrolling and it is keep on adding this content. So it never gets tired. It keeps, we will get tired, but the application never gets tired. So this is how it is achieved. It is a very beautiful way. So let's understand this. And also I request you, please go through this intersection observer API in Mozilla so that you will have very good understanding and you will enjoy this. And you will be, definitely you will be using this in your upcoming projects, or if you are if you're a developer, you must be using this. Or if you're a fresher also, you will try to use this because this is a very beautiful way of achieving this. Otherwise, before we used to achieve the same thing with the listening to the scrolling events and playing with the scrolling event, which was much harder because there were multiple scrolling events we have to listen to and all that. But intersection observer makes it very easy. So let's understand with line number one, we have import, use state, use effect, use ref. All three are hooks from React. Use state is a state we get an array where we have a state, and to update that state, we also get a function, updater function. And then use effect help us to play with the side effects. So all the side effects we do under use effect. And then we have use ref is whenever we want to uh, refer to our DOM. So for DOM reference we use ref, like we used to do it by query selector, right? So here in React we can use ref to refer to any DOM, right? We will see this. So now we have created the functional component in line number 3, infinite scrolling list. This is my this is my component name, infinite scrolling list. Inside this we have item and set item. So this is the array which is getting returned by the use state. Items is a state and set time is a updater function which will update this item list. So all the time. So initially we have seen it is 20 and then it will keep on updating it 20 more, 40, 20 more, 60 like this. And in line number 5 we have page set page. So it is also we are also maintaining the pages. So it will keep on increasing the pages. Like first is we have given the initial page is 1, then 2, 3 like this, you know. And then we in line number 6 we have loader. This is the loader, right? This loader is our reference, DOM reference. So initially we are providing it null, so it is like loader.current null right now. And then when we'll attach it, so it will refer to that particular div or that particular element of the DOM. So in line number 8 we have load more. This is a load more function which will whenever this will be triggered, so what this will do, this will again for suppose initially we have 20, right? So now what it will do, array.from is a method which otherwise we will have to write 1 comma 2 comma 3 like this till 20. But array.from we have given length 20, so it will do 1 comma 2 till 20. It will automatically creates an array of 20 elements, right? And also when we are calling it, we are doing spread operator. So previous things like 1 to 20 will remain here, and then again 20, and then index will be 0 and plus 1, so 21. So again index is 0, this sorry index will be 1, like 0 1 2, so 1 plus 1 2, so 22. And then index will be 3, so 3 plus 1 like this. So index will keep on increasing starting from 0, and this plus 1 always will be getting added to it. So that's why we are able to achieve 21 22 like this till 40, and then 41 to 60 same. Set page is doing the same thing, increasing the page number from 1. See here we're increasing 2 like this. So whenever load more is called, so like it is called 3 times, so page will be increased to that number plus 1, right? So 3 times, if the load more is called, that means 1 initial is 1, then again load more is called, then it is 2, then again 3, then again 4. So if load more is called 3 times, the page will be 4 because initially it was 1. So like this. And then we have this set timeout in line number 9, just to fake the API delay, simulate the API delay. So it will load 20 more elements, but after 1 second. So this load more, whenever it will call, it will take 1 second to update this. So that we have already seen. See, when it will reach to 80, it will take 1 second. See, 1 second, yeah, 120. Now 1 second to 140, yeah, like this. So very beautiful. So let's see, in useEffect we have the same intersection observer which will bring us the entries. So what it will do, in line number 22, we have attached our loader dot current. So our loader here is, let me show you, this is the loader. This div is loading more. So it is checking if this div is has come, then trigger, then call the callback. And this, what this callback is doing, see, our observer is listening to loader dot current. What is loader dot current? Loader dot current is 36 line, this div. It is listening to this div. As soon as this div comes, see, as soon as this loading mode div comes, it is triggering the callback. And what is the callback? This is the callback, line number 18. So what is this doing? Entry is 0. The first element it is checking, that we are checking right now. So first element is intersecting, it will be true, right? That's why it has come up. When the loader more this div has come up, it will be true. And then this callback is fired, load more, and it will again add those 20 plus 20. That's how it is working. So this is the pure logic we have from line number 15 to line number this 25. And also we have in 24 line return. What this will do, whenever this component will unmount, the observer will disconnect. It is very important to avoid the memory leaks. If you have worked with Angular or anywhere, like wherever in Angular we are playing with observer every time, when we are subscribing to the APIs, but then we unsubscribe also to avoid the memory leaks. Same thing everywhere. When we are doing playing with the observer, we also have to disconnect. Once we are connecting, it is always listening, then we have to disconnect it after the component unmounts. So this is a good way of writing code. And inside return, this is the all HTML CSS we have a viewport height, sorry, we have a height of 400 pixel, and then item list, and these are the items, which is, if you see in load mode, it is setting the items, right? And this items contains that state. So this item, line number 30, contains the state. So latest state, so right now latest state is still 180. See, 180. Now loading more, now it has become 200. So like this, the items will keep on adding to it. And when you will go above, you don't have to call load more, because the data is already accumulated, right? So this is how we can play with the infinite scrolling. We can add in our application infinite scrolling with the help of this observer, this intersection observer. And if you are using React.js, so what I have done, I have created this component, and in app.jsx, I just simply imported it and rendered over it. Line number 21, I have written that this I have firstly imported this component, and like this you have to call this component, and then it will display it over here. About after white plus react, see, wait plus react, it will show you. And and this app is getting in the main JSX. If in main JSX we will go, so like this, see, this app component, we have to import it, because everywhere we are generating the component, we are exporting it. So why? Because we can import it, so that we can import it. If we are exporting it, then only we can import it, right? So index dot main dot JSX, here we are importing it, and that's why app is loading here. And this app is loading finally in the index.html, because this is single page applications, always remember. Single page application loads in a single page, so there will be a single HTML where all the application is loading up. So this is a root. In this div, everything is playing up. So thank you guys. I hope you understand infinite scrolling concept with the help of intersection intersection observer API. So go through the Mozilla development, this Mozilla resource. There you will get in depth about all the methods that we have in our web development. And I always recommend Mozilla Dev, Mozilla MDN, Mozilla Developer Network Tools. So thank you everyone, and please do share, subscribe, and give your love to this series. This is Gen Z series. Under the Gen Z JavaScript series, I will be uploading all the useful videos from JavaScript, Angular, and React.js. So keep supporting guys, keep sharing, keep commenting. Thank you everyone. Take care.